Simply go to this website and sign up for a free account. Then start sharing, and you will be earning Bitcoin every day. Hey guys, it is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money, as well as ways on how you can wisely monetize your time online. And today, I am going to show you how to make free Bitcoin every 5 minutes with the potential to earn up to 1 Bitcoin every day if done correctly. Cryptocurrencies are still on the rise, and you can start earning coins with this strategy even if you are a total newbie. This approach is available all around the world and will continue to work in 2022. If you are a maximalist like me, pay attention to the entire video because I am going to reveal a few little hidden steps that can help you maximize your profit. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. So first and foremost, I want you to go to Kraken.com. Now for this strategy, we will use Kraken.com. As a result, when we get to Kraken, we see this website. As can be seen, Kraken is the most powerful instrument for buying, selling, and trading digital currency. Kraken has long been regarded as the best and safest cryptocurrency exchange. They deal in a variety of cryptocurrencies, so if you want to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dashcoin, or any other coin, you may do so through this website. So if you scroll down, you will notice that they have a lot of different features, but I am not going to go through them all since we prefer to keep things simple here on our channel. So all you have to do now is make an account in the top right corner, and then click the Create Account option, which will take you to another page. Simply sign up using your email address, a unique username, and a password, and then click the Create Account button to complete the sign-in process. So basically, that's the first step, guys. So now I'm going to catch you guys in the second step immediately. So now for step 2. Once you have successfully joined up, I'd like you to join in the Kraken Affiliate Network. Simply type Google Kraken Affiliate into your browser and click on the first link to get to this website. So once you have done that, you will see this dashboard appear in front of you. So over here, we can discover everything there is to know about the Kraken Affiliate program. So guys, they offer a great affiliate scheme where you can earn 20% of everything your referral earns for the rest of their lives. So if your referral makes $1,000, you can make $200 from their $1,000 all for free with no further fees. So how does it work, guys? So you simply share your affiliate link with different groups of people, whether it's your friends and family or complete strangers. And anytime they join up, you will earn a commission, and you will get a recurring commission for the duration of their stay on this website. So what are some of the prerequisites? So you will need at least 5,000 followers, which is not required, and you'll also need some mobile apps, which I will teach you how to get. After that, simply click on Click Here to become an affiliate once you have read everything over here and understand everything. Now, when you click on Click Here to become an affiliate button, you'll be taken to a different page. They will now give you this application from over there. So from here, simply fill in all of this information to the best of your knowledge, precisely as it appears on your ID card or passport, and double check that everything you put in here corresponds to all of your legal documents. So provide your first name, email address, username, password, and account display name, as well as your street address, city, phone number, and a variety of other information. So once you have completed all of that, click sign up, and then you will be registered. So that is basically Kraken Affiliate program for you guys. Now we are going to go on to step 3. So I'm going to show you a couple of things before we move on to stage 3. So I have got the price of Bitcoin open right now, and we are going to conduct a quick analysis of where the price of Bitcoin is at the moment. We can see that the current price of Bitcoin is $41,794 over here. We can also see that the price of Bitcoin was $40,407 a few days ago if we go back a few days. So guys, the price of Bitcoin fluctuates a lot, but don't worry about it because in about 45 years, the price of Bitcoin will be around $1 million and you will all have a lot of money because right now, even if you have 100 worth of Bitcoin, it will be multiplied by 5 or 6. So you will have about $6,000 to $7,000 worth of Bitcoin. which is currently valued at $100. So you will have $6,000 to $7,000 worth of Bitcoin, which is currently valued at $100. I realize it's a little confusing, but trust me when I say that if you follow all of these steps, you will have enough crypto to retire at the age of 25, which is relatively easy in the world of cryptocurrencies. You do not have to be concerned about anything. So if you scroll down, you will see all of these other information, but I'm not going to spend your time with that. So once you've grasped all of this, we may move on to stage number 3. I want you to type Reddit cryptocurrency into Google in step 3. Simply click on the first link after that, and then join all of these subreddits from here. So my task for you is to locate the inquiries that have received no responses. So let's take this query as an example. Simply answer a question with no comments, then type something like, if you want to mine Ethereum, simply come onto this website and utilize this website. And then put your affiliate link, and that is all there is to it. So you can do that for all of these posts over here, and you will be able to make a lot of money passively on autopilot by simply doing nothing. So just to give you an idea of what I'm talking about, if 200 people click on your link and join up for Kraken, and each makes $500, you can make $6,000 in passive income just by commenting on this post and getting those people to sign up. As a result, guys like that are very low estimate. If you do this with many posts, you will clearly not receive 100 to 200 individuals, but 100,000 to 200,000, and then you can simply figure out how much money you can make. Because that will be a substantial sum, and you may need to upgrade your bank account as well. So there you have it, guys. That was basically the entire plan, and you can surely use other websites as well. As a result, you can also use Facebook.com. You can also use alternative formats such as a crypto forum, because all of these have a large number of users, and the more members a forum has, the better. So we have a Bitcoin forum over here as well as a Bitcoin Talk. Community.ig.com is currently the best forum in my opinion. So if I click on this, it will bring me to this forum. So the more forums you join and the more you promote your link, the more money you can earn, and once you have a certain amount of money, you can start trading Bitcoin. But for now, your primary goal will be to simply accumulate enough money to make a lot of money. Finally, I would like to remind everyone to be wary of scammers. Don't fall for any scams, and if somebody asks you for money, or if a website says they want to earn money of you, please don't do it since it's a big no-no and it will almost certainly be a hoax. Simply create Bitcoin using the manner I demonstrated, and then you will be good to go. So that is it for today, everyone, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.